central Pippin County, southeastern Pierce County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Plum City, or 18 miles east of Red Wing, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plum City, Arkansas, Eau Gallie, and Downsville. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Monday for a portion of west-central Wisconsin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dunn, Pippin, and Pierce. Severe thunderstorm